Regular physical activity has a lot of beneficial effects on heart and blood vessels. Regular exercise can bring down the levels of LDL cholesterol or bad cholesterol and increase the levels of HDL cholesterol or good cholesterol, which has a protective effect. This reduces fat deposits in the blood vessels. Relief of obesity is another advantage, which also leads to an improvement in the effect of insulin in the body. Generalized inflammatory state also improves with regular exercise training mediated through decreased fat, as fat cells are pro-inflammatory. Important psychological benefits of exercise include improvement in stress and depression. Social support is better with exercise programs. Regular exercise reduces stickiness of platelets, the blood cells involved in blood clotting. Mechanisms to dissolve clots improve. Levels of fibrinogen, a blood protein which induces clot formation, decreases, and so does blood viscosity. All these have favorable effect against unwanted clotting. Beneficial effects on heart rhythm include reduction in resting heart rate and decreased activity of the sympathetic nervous system, which gets triggered with stress. These are beneficial in reducing life-threatening heart rhythm abnormalities in those with established heart disease. Long-term exercise programs reduce oxygen demand of heart muscle, though immediate effect of exercise is an increased oxygen demand of the heart muscle. Blood flow to the heart muscle also improves. Aquatic or underwater treadmill for exercise in the elderly and for rehabilitation after stroke and traumatic brain injury. Aquatic or underwater treadmill exercise is gaining popularity as a means of exercise training in persons with osteoarthritis who cannot exercise on a land treadmill. Water jets opposite to the direction of walking can be used to achieve high rate of perceived exertion in aquatic treadmill. Water currents in the direction of walking can also support higher speeds if needed for a morale boost in those with lower exercise capacity. The advantage of underwater treadmill is that there is no joint impact due to the body weight as occurs with land treadmill. Both motorized and non-motorized versions of aquatic treadmills are available as in case of land treadmills. The non-motorized versions are obviously cheaper because there is no need for costly underwater durable motors. Aquatic treadmills can be portable or custom made and fixed in a pool. Aquatic treadmill is very useful for senior citizens to avoid the risk of falls and musculoskeletal stress of land treadmill exercise. Regular exercise can improve lean body mass and overall physical fitness in the elderly. It is also useful for obese individuals and those with issues of mobility. Underwater treadmill is useful in those recovering from stroke as they often have poor balance or cannot support their weight. Unlike in land treadmill, aquatic treadmill can have advantages due to characteristics of water like temperature, viscosity, and hydrostatic pressure. Cardiovascular changes occurring during immersions have also to be considered. There is redistribution of blood volume from the lower limbs to the thoracic cavity, but the increases in blood pressure, heart rate, and rate pressure product are lower with underwater treadmill walking as compared to walking on land treadmill.